Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to fix when you're unable to install this update, that is KB5077241, because of these error codes. So if you're receiving one of these error codes, then please follow the steps shown in this video. Now the first step is to type in CMD in Windows search box, make a right click on command prompt tab. Make sure that you run command prompt as an administrator, click on yes to allow. Now copy the first command. All these commands are provided in the video description. Paste it over here and then hit the enter key. Now this will run a scan. The scan will take some time, and once the scan is 100% complete, copy the second command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the second scan is 100% complete, then copy the third command, paste it on the same window, hit the enter key. Once the third scan is 100% complete over here, then restart your computer. And after the system restart, you can check. Still not working, go to Windows Update, and then over here you can see pause option, hit pause, and once the update is paused, resume updates. Now hit resume updates and then you can check. Still not working, type in services in Windows search box, click on services. Scroll down, somewhere at the bottom you will see Windows Update. Make a double click on Windows Update, set this to automatic, and then hit apply, click on start if highlighted, then click on OK. Now find background intelligent transfer service, make a double click, set this to automatic, click on apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now find app readiness, make a double click on app readiness, set this to automatic, again apply, click on start if highlighted, and then make a right click and then click on restart. Now go back to Windows Update, and if you see retry option over here, you can hit retry and then try to install it again. Still not working. The next step is to use Microsoft Update Catalog. Now for this, you can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. The link is provided in the video description. Over here, you can write down the name of the update, that is KB5077241, and then click on search. Check your Windows version, so type in WINVER in Windows search box, click on WinVer run command, and check your version. In my case, it's version 25H2. Now check your system type, so go to system in Windows settings, scroll down, go to about option, and then check your system type. For me, it's 64-bit operating system. Now for me, it's Windows 11 version 25H2 x64. If you have Windows 11 version 24H2 x64, then this is the right one for you. For me, this is the right one. Click on download and then click on KB5077241 over here and let the download complete. Once the download is complete, you can click on this file, install this update manually, restart your computer and then check. Still not working, open Windows settings, go to Windows Update, go to advanced option, scroll down, go to recovery option. Here you can see fix problems using Windows Update. This will reinstall your current version of Windows. Your apps, files and settings will be preserved. So click on reinstall now. This process will take some time. Once this is done, restart your computer and then check. Still not working. The last step is to use media creation tool. You can open this link in a browser. It will take you to Microsoft website. Scroll down, here you can see media creation tool. Click on download now, and then you can run this exe file. Click on it and then click on accept. By default, Windows 11 would be selected. Click on next, select ISO file over here and then click on next. You can save it to desktop, click on save. Let the download complete. This process will take some time. Once done, click on finish. Let this close automatically. Go to desktop, make a double click on Windows ISO file, make a double click on setup file, click on yes to allow, click on next, click on accept over here, and here you can see ready to install. By default, the option to keep personal files and app will be checked. When this is checked, you will not lose any data on the computer, so make sure this is checked. Hit install. After the installation, restart your computer and then check. So one of the steps shown in this video should help you to install this update successfully. So that'll be all. Thank you so much for your time, and please like this video and subscribe to my channel.